Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions. This is IELTS speaking part 1. Have you ever been to any island?
No, in my previous days, my no college authorities or school authority does not
Listen,
arrange a
listen,
trip.
listen. The thing is this, that first you need to see if there is any island in your country or not. In Karachi, we have islands, right? So instead of saying my college school, simply, have you ever been to any island? No, I have never been to any island. In fact, the area where I live, we don't have any sea. Yes, there is one sea, Arabian Sea in my country, but that is far away from my house. So to answer your question, I have never been to any island. Simple.
Okay.
Okay, even if you've not been there, elaborate your point. Let's go on. Are there any islands in your country?
Yes, there are 10 most beautiful island in my country. One of the biggest
Island.
island is Astola in Balochistan, and the newest one island that was happened in
Which
2013,
was discovered?
which was discovered in 2013, which was happened due to earthquake in Balochistan,
Which came into being due to earthquake. So
which
to
is
answer
famous
your
for
question,
Zalzala.
there are several beautiful islands in my country.
Country.
This concluding sentence is must. Let's go on. Do you want to live on an island?
So I have never any experience to live on Iceland.
I have never had any experience.
Had any experience live on an Iceland.
Island, not
I-
Iceland. Iceland
island.
is different. Island.
Island, if the facilities like hospitals and education will be provided on island, then I will prefer to live on
Okay,
this.
not Wi-Fi. Yeah, if there is Wi-Fi, then I will live there. Otherwise, I will not. Okay, what would you like to do if you go to an island?
Mostly, if I will able to visit on any
If I ever visit any
island, then I want to capture its beauty, and then I will enjoy myself to see what's blessing that our God happened on us,
the blessing that our God has bestowed upon us.
upon us.
Okay, all right, this is good. Just try to focus your grammar. But the good thing is, topic was quite unusual and you handled it. And by the way, the word is island. S is silent. Iceland is ice, actually. Okay, yeah. All right, let's go on. I'm going to ask you some questions about driving. So let's take a start. Do you drive often or do you like driving?
Yes, I love driving and I often drive from
I often drive, first form. I often drive.
I often drive to my home to school. Driving is give us a good experience and
Driving gives us good experience.
driving gives us a good experience and it save up my
It saves.
it saves a lot of time.
It saves our lot of time, or it
And
saves us time. Okay, let's go on. Do you want your children to drive in the future?
Yes, really. Yes, driving is an important skill. Everyone must learn. Everyone should learn it.
Everyone should learn it. So I want my children to learn driving
Yes.
so that they could take me anywhere. Huh? Okay, let's go on. At what age are people allowed to drive in your country?
I live in Pakistan, and according to the constitution of Pakistan, your limit your age is must be 18 when you applied for a license
Driving license.
driving license, and without driving license you are not authorized to drive a motor car or other.
This is very good answer, huh? You googled it or what? Okay, let's go on. Do you think it is difficult to drive a car?
No, it is not. It is not difficult. It is actually a very lovely thing to learn and drive a car. Millions of people drive every day, and it is not a difficult thing.
Your answers are very interesting, and it sounds like you did some preparation on that. Well done. This is very good, huh? Thank you very much. Thank you.